Hey guys, Jeremy Kenny here with the awarenessrevolution.com. Today I'm going to show you how to trade on Coinbase and GDAX in order to eliminate fees. So if you've used Coinbase before, you're going to see that their fees are pretty high, at least 1.5% or more. And if you're doing a lot of trades, that can add up. Why pay fees if you don't have to? And most people don't even realize that you don't have to. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you have to have both a Coinbase account and a GDAX account, but they're owned by the same company. So if you have a Coinbase account, you already have a GDAX account. So let's go ahead. So all you have to do is come over here to GDAX.com. You're going to sign in with the same information you would sign into Coinbase with. I need to deposit. So here's what we need to do. Actually, I want to come over here. What I'm looking for is Bitcoin and USD because I want to deposit Bitcoin. So let's go deposit, and we're going to go Bitcoin wallet, Coinbase account, and we're going to go point. So this is how much Bitcoin I want to deposit into GDAX. Depositing, and it deposits instantly. So now you see I have 0.0521 Bitcoin in my GDAX account. Alright, now here's how you have to do it in order to save yourself from having to pay the fees. You could, instead of doing market order, what we're going to do is a limit order. So press limit. Here's the amount of Bitcoin I want to trade, basically 0.0521. And here's the price. So at what price point do I want to trade out my Bitcoin? I'm going to say 12,300. That would give me $640. I paid $600 for it, so hey, that'd be a $40 profit. I actually bought it on accident, meant to buy Litecoin, so I'm just doing this tutorial to show you. This is going to give me, basically, I'm going to end up with more US dollars in my GDAX account, which then I could use to buy Ethereum or Litecoin, or wait for another dip, stuff like that. So this is under buy order. I can't do that. So basically it's going to be the same thing. So I'm selling my Bitcoin, so I just put limit order, sell the amount, the price I want to sell it at, and boom. And that's it. You'll see over here on the right, it's an open order, and if Bitcoin goes up to that price of $12,300, then GDAX will automatically sell this amount of Bitcoin. And the order comes up over here. Maybe people will buy it. Don't need to get into any more details, but that's pretty much all you have to do. You can do the same thing, put a limit order, whether you're buying or selling, and you can buy or sell your cryptos without paying any fees. Hey, I hope this helps you out. I hope it saves you a lot of money. I know when I first got into it, I was paying the fees, and a lot of us, we don't realize that we can actually avoid paying Coinbase fees by doing it this way. So give me a thumbs up if that helped you guys out. Share it with your beginner friends. Share it in forums or groups, Facebook groups and stuff like that. If you have a bunch of new people that are just now using Coinbase, Coinbase has a lot of new users, so I'm sure there's a lot of people that could use this. So please give it a share and subscribe to my channel for new videos in the future. Also, if you aren't subscribed, or if you aren't registered with Coinbase yet, I'll have a link in the description where you can use my referral link and get $10 in free Bitcoin just by using my link, and that's on your first $100 order. So check out that link and check out my future videos, guys.